Welcome to Explora, EBSCO's colorful and easy-to-use search tool designed just for students in kindergarten through grade 5. Learn about endangered animals, famous musicians, space exploration, and more. Explora contains complete articles from dozens of the most popular elementary school magazines, encyclopedia entries written just for kids, and more than 1 million images of photos, maps, and flags. In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can easily search and browse for information using Explora. The quickest way to find information in Explora is to type a word or phrase in the search box at the top of the page. The autocomplete feature will guess what you're searching for, so even if you misspell a word, related words will appear in the drop-down menu. Select from the list or keep the word you typed and click the magnifying glass for a list of results. What you see on the screen are all kinds of results, articles, pictures, and a topic overview. Click a link over the results to see only articles, ebooks, reference information, or videos. The topic overview gives you background information about your topic to help you start your research. Clicking Read More takes you to the full article. From here, you can read the full text of the article. You can also find information in other ways. From the Explora homepage, browse the categories to find a research topic that interests you. For example, click Science to see an alphabetical list of related topics. Click the topic that interests you to see subtopics related to it. To switch the display of topics from a grid view to a list, click the List View icon. Use the letters at the top of your screen to jump to another place in the alphabet. Click the topic that interests you to see a list of relevant search results. Results for your topic are displayed. You can click View All Results to view more results related to your topic. Your results will contain a variety of sources such as magazines, books, and videos. Click Access Options to select a full text option to view the complete article. Click the Cite icon for citation information to help you build your Works Cited page. You can also download or print the complete article using the icons in the full text viewer. Don't have time to read the article now? Sign into your personal account and click the bookmark icon to save the article to your dashboard, or click the share icon to save it to Google Drive or email it to yourself. If at any time you wish to return to the home screen, click the Explora logo. To learn more about Explora, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.